I just wake up, brush my teeth, and I got only 1 minute, so I didn't wash my face cleansing at all. I'm just going to wipe with a cotton pad, avoid eye area, wipe through my whole face of any dust in oil that accumulates in the over the night. So you will have a cotton pad, right? That's it. And because of my honey glow, I basically just use it as my moisturizer and sunscreen, and it's a primer as well. And this is a firming eye cream. So this is my favorite because in a rush, you don't want to use things that you need to open the cap. So this is like pump. Okay, it's a pump kind of formula. So just put over, right, left over, just over the whole face. And then use your honey glue. So just draw on the face. And because this is sunscreen, so put more. Okay, so I have this here, so just put here. And oopsie, I'm going to be late if I do this. Okay, so just make sure the whole face is covered with this honey glow. Oops, what? Okay, so just blend. It's okay to have a lot of sunscreen, it's okay. Because I'd rather be protected from the sun than not. Okay, so it's a lot more than I will really put, a little bit more than usually put. Oh, it's already 2 minutes plus. Okay, so I'm done with that. And I'll go ahead with my eyebrow. This is a brow pencil. Just like the brows to be a little bit more room. I mean, like, I like to do this because you see my sleep lines. So cute. So if you want, you can do a bit, but actually it's not much. It doesn't come out a lot. Oh, where am I blabbling? Blah, 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 blah. Okay, that's it. And the last part, of course, don't need this now. What am I doing? Like wasting time here? Okay, so a bit of this on the cheek just to look rosy. I like looking rosy because I look pretty pale, and then just that bit on the lips. It makes a lot of difference, you know. I've seen my mom do lipstick since I was little, and it just stuck with me, you know. So that's it. This is my yoga face, and I would usually take a makeup setting spray and just spray as like hydration, so it stays on throughout the whole day. Actually, not whole day lah. It's just do yoga and coffee, and that's it. So that's my yoga face. See you guys, and have a great healthy lifestyle.